Across town, the Lafayette City Council grants tax break waivers worth a total of $100,000 to two businesses. One company had no problem getting the tax credit, while another faced some opposition. News Channel 18's Nicole Kahn explains.
The McKinney Corporation and Oscar Winsky Company went before the City Council seeking tax credits. The two businesses received tax abatements, but the tax breaks didn't register on their tax bills. The McKinney Corporation paid an extra $22,000 over 3 years, while Oscar Winsky spent an extra $83,000 during 2 years. The two companies were in technical noncompliance of the abatement granted to them. Both met the investment and job growth requirements, but had some paperwork issues with their property taxes.
It's a very confusing process, both on personal property and real estate. There's not one place to go to that can give you the magic answers to everything.
McKinney had internal turnover in its finance department, causing the company to misfile some forms.
Their people within their own office just didn't get the paperwork on file. And in that instance, I didn't think it was right to give them a second bite at the apple.
The council voted 6-3 to grant the McKinney Corporation a single tax credit for 2011 that will be payable in 2012. Steve Meyer, Ron Campbell, and Bob Downing voted against allowing the credit because they felt the oversight was the company's fault. The issue for Oscar Winsky was the company could not get an accurate assessment of its new building from the assessor's office for 2 years, causing its paperwork to be incomplete.
Without that information, it was virtually impossible to fill out all the necessary compliance forms.
But the council voted unanimously to grant Oscar Winsky the waiver and receive tax credits over the remaining years of its abatement because the paperwork problems were out of the business's control. Both tax credits will not affect the budgets of any entities that receive tax money in 2011. Nicole Kahn, News Channel 18.
And Greater Lafayette Commerce plans to host workshops to help companies with abatements better understand how to file the necessary property tax paperwork.